In Hamlet, I enter the kingdom that is consumed by power, corruption, and revenge. A place where even the castle walls feel emotionally heavy. In Pride and Prejudice, I step into the world of elegance, expectations, and quiet emotions. Where love struggles against pride and women struggle against society's standards. And in Little Women, I found a story that is filled with dreams, family, and struggle to become who you truly are. A world that feels both nostalgic and painfully real.
Cut!
Have you ever watched a movie na parang hindi ka lang nanonood, kundi parang nakapasok ka talaga sa mundo nila? Because honestly, that's what I felt while watching these three classic literary films: Hamlet, Pride and Prejudice, and Little Women. At first, I thought they were just old stories. At habang tumatagal, na-realize ko that the issues they discuss still exist today. Political corruption, society's expectations for women, family pressure, identity, and the struggle between personal dreams and societal expectations. So for this vlog, instead of just reviewing the films, I wanted to step inside their teams and travel throughout their worlds. So let's start with the darkest story among the three. First up, Hamlet by William Shakespeare. And honestly, this story feels like one giant political chess game. The film follows Prince Hamlet after discovering that his uncle Claudius murdered his father, took the throne, and married his mother. So agad-agad makikita na agad yung biggest issue ng story: political corruption. Claudius gains power through manipulation and greed. At kahit centuries ago na ito nasulat, makikita pa rin natin na relevant siya today. Kasi even now, we still see people abusing power for personal gain. What I like most here is Hamlet himself. Hindi siya perfect hero. He genuinely questions morality, justice, and revenge, which makes him feel more like human. Yung black and white cinematography, considering yung filmmaking nila noon, ay suited sa cold and emotionally heavy na mga scenes. For me, I would rate Hamlet an 8.5 out of 10. At yung similar film naman na maire-recommend ko ay Macbeth. Kasi it also explores ambition, power, and corruption. From a dark world full of revenge, kaya naman napunta tayo sa elegant and emotional world of Pride and Prejudice. The story follows Elizabeth Bennet at ang kanyang complicated relationship with Mr. Darcy. At sa umpisa pa lang ng story, ginudge agad nila ang isa't isa. But beyond the romance, the movie also reflects society's expectations for women. During that time, women were expected to marry wealthy men for financial security. Parang marriage is more about survival rather than love. And I think society still pressures women in different ways today. This is why I admire Elizabeth Bennet. Hindi niya hinayaan na yung society ang mag-decide ng halaga niya na. At visually, napakaganda rin itong film na ito. The warm lightings, music, landscapes, all of this made all the scenes feel soft and emotional. And unlike typical romance stories, their relationship develops through emotional growth and understanding. For me, I would rate Pride and Prejudice a 9 out of 10. And if I were to recommend a similar film, I would recommend Jane Eyre. Kasi it also explores love, independence, and women's roles in society. And finally, we arrive at the warm and emotional world of Little Women. So, ang film na ito ay tungkol sa March sisters as they grow up, mga binubuong pangarap, at ano ba talagang gusto nila maging. And honestly, this film ang pinaka nag-connect sa akin emotionally. Bakit? Kasi unlike Pride and Prejudice, where society pressures women mainly through marriage, dito sa Little Women, it focuses more on identity, ambition, dreams, and family. Especially through Jo March. She wants independence and dreams of becoming a writer despite of what society expects for women during that time. At sa panahon ngayon, marami pa rin nakaka-relate sa ganyang pressure between sa pagpili ng practical path and passion. Passion! Ano Jo? Pagod ka na? Jo! I love you, Jo! Jo! What also made this movie special is the importance of family. Meron silang iba't ibang dreams, personalities, pero their emotional connection remains strong. In terms of technicality, the warm cinematography and nostalgic atmosphere made everything feel personal and comforting. For me, I would rate Little Women a 9.5 out of 10. At kung meron akong i-recommend na similar film, I would recommend Lady Bird kasi it also explores family, identity, and growing up. So among the three films, which one became my favorite? Honestly, all three stories were powerful in different ways. Hamlet reflects corruption and psychological effects of toxic leadership. Pride and Prejudice reflects society's expectations for women and the dangers of judging too quickly. And Little Women reflects identity, family, ambition, and emotional growth. But personally, at nabanggit ko na rin siguro kanina, Little Women connected with me the most emotionally. However, what really amazed me is that all these three stories still remain relevant today. Even though they were written centuries ago, the societal issues they discuss still exist, which proves that great literature never truly becomes outdated. Because behind every old story are human experiences that still reflect our world today. Thank you for watching!